as far as, because I try and keep our Instagram updated, you guys just want
from the back.
Guys, man, welcome back to the channel. We got some fun things going on today, man. We got some fun going on today. As y'all can see, I'm not in the Stang today, man. I'm not in the Stang. I'm in the I got a 2015 STI that I daily drive. So that's what I'm rocking with today, man. But we're gonna be around some Hellcats today, man. We're gonna have some fun. We got some fun. Some loud cars. I got some badass Hellcats. Just got off the dyno. It's gonna be a fun day. They got some people want to race, you know. I was like, yo, I gotta come along. They said, yo, let's go. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this, man. Stay tuned.
South Street today, right? So in Jersey, you can't buy like salt nick no more, like vape juice, like flavored vape juice, right?
Right.
You can't buy that no more. Look, this I got right here, you can zoom in on that. Iced raspberry lemonade.
Okay.
Bro, I went out there looking for the fruit smacker punch. I'm not like mad that I don't have it. Fire. Bro, I ain't put it down yet. That's how I'm coming. If you get high off, I'm dumb high right now.
Touching the clouds right now?
I would. Nah, don't put your lips on it.
Yo, Zach, tell me you're the fastest out here.
I am the fastest.
Wait, Darren, tell them how you feel, man.
Feeling bold.
Feeling bold? You ready?
Always ready.
What about you, Kyle?
Feeling good. Can't wait to ride home.
I think Kyle said he's faster than you, Darren. That's what I heard.
I heard that's not gonna happen. What I was saying lately? Suck my. Forward. I got this race. I haven't driven this car in
Like 2 months, right?
yeah, about 2 months since the last time I drove it.
It's pretty Hook it now.
Yeah.
Hook it now.
Yeah, it's fast.
Yeah, that shit, you can.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fast.
that shit move. That shit moving.
Big body.
Moving. Hellcats definitely hit different. Them Hellcats definitely hit different. But if y'all want to see the full clip of that video, y'all gotta go check out my boy Darren channel. If you want to see the full clip, go check his channel out. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that for your boy, man. So I can't wait to bring out more content, and just stay tuned, man. I'm out.